Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today is going to be another install. And this one I'm kind of nervous because I'm going to be installing some fog lights for my vehicle, and I've never done that. So yeah, a bunch of wiring and everything, so I'm kind of nervous about that. And right now, as you guys can tell, I am parked outside. I'm gonna drive it over there to the back and wish me luck, because right there it scrapes and everything. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the back then. Alright, so I made it to the back area where I live. It's like a little alleyway, and I swear I don't like coming back here and parking back here, because I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll show you guys in a bit. Right there it hits really hard and I get stuck. So yeah, I gotta get some plywood from over there and get myself unstuck. So right now I'm just gonna get off and make this quick before any car comes. Alright, let's get off. Look who decided to show up. I'm just kidding. Alright, so look at this. Yes, that's a pain in the ass. It gets stuck a lot. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but right there, look at that clearance though. Light barely shows up. And yeah, so I got this right here. Hopefully my car can make it. Damn, look at that beast right here. Woo. And plywood kills it. Luckily, I have him helping me out. Oh my god, I'm about to hit the fence, yo. Oh my god, yo. Damn. Dude. I made it though. I made it in. The struggle's real. Alright, so I made it through alive. And these are the parts right here. This is a wiring harness. And get that out of the way. And also these things that's gonna hold down the fog lights. And my fog lights are in there. I'll show you guys in a bit. And yeah, look what happened to the damn wood. Cracked. Gotta get another one. Gotta buy another one, because if I want to bring my car back in here, I have to have some wood. Damn, camber. It's tucking plus camber. Sick, yo, sick. But yeah, back to the fog lights. This is the ones that I got. They're pretty nice and clean. And also bought some yellow tint. And these are from the company, let me see, Specty Tuning. I got them for like 35 bucks with everything. And the yellow tint that I bought, it's oh shit, damn. I got it on Amazon for like 8 bucks. Kind of pricey, but oh well, hopefully it looks good. And yeah, and these are gonna go right there, obviously. And these holes already. And I just gotta remove the bumper and we should be good. And also, this is gonna be the roll that I was telling you guys about. It's a pretty good, decent roll. It's right there. Oh, easy auto wrap, I guess. And oh, that's my info. And yeah, so it just comes with that. So I don't know if to put it on right now or once I'm done with the wiring and everything. I put a couple layers, or just one, depends on how yellow I want them. So yeah, that's my tripod, and let's go to a time lapse. Yo, imagine if it was this low. I'll be scraping everywhere, bro. So I just loosened up these clips that were holding it on. There's a bunch, and then there's two little clips that go right here. I don't know if you guys can tell right there. And yeah, What a struggle. All right, so I ran into an issue. Oh, I already got it installed. Should have took me a while. I tightened it from right there and right here, and it fits perfectly on my shit. I just gotta do the other one. Damn, look how my car looks right now. Damn, man. The bumper's over there, as you guys can tell. That shit looks, I kinda like it, but it's not even fixed up at all. And the wiring part, yeah, it's gonna be a mess, cause I'm gonna have to go through my firewall or something. Oh, let me see. And as you guys can tell, it's a tight squeeze, really tight squeeze. And so right now I don't know what to do. I have my brother-in-law over there, he's helping me out. This Mustang right here. But yeah, it has the same sticker, banner, whatever. 2010 Mustang. Ooh. All scrape life. Letters. Go for the block. And he gone. All right, so as you guys can tell, I took out this cover right here, and I have my drill bit and my drill and everything, and the carpet area right here. This piece right here was originally like this big, and I just cut this whole area right here because the brake booster is back here, and I don't want to drill right through it. So I was kind of cautious and everything, and thinking about it, and yeah. So hopefully this little area right here is for like wiring, just in case you guys can't have it tucked in through the fender and everything. So hopefully everything connects, because I want to finish this shit already. We should get started. And so I drilled right through it, and guess what? Oh, focus, focus. Daylight. I see sunlight. I mean, let's check from the inside right here in the engine. Oh, I see the hole. You guys can't tell because my fucking intake is in the way, the intake box. Let's see. Oh, the hole should be right above there. You guys can't tell. Fuck. I see it. That's important. I'm gonna make the hole a little bit bigger so I can run my wiring right through it. And yeah, I would have the button to turn on and off my freaking fog lights. Oh, focus on me. All right, so update. It got cloudy as hell, and finally brought it through the firewall. Yeah, look at that small hole. I had to do a large hole so this green piece right here can fit right through. I managed to do that, and with it, here's this negative cable. Just put it there to test it out, and my whole wiring mess right here. The positive, it was supposed to, this one right here, supposed to run through in there. I don't know how, so I just made a long wire, put it right here. This is part with the fuse and the relay. Put it right there on the positive, and the negative is gonna go obviously to the negative, and voila, did all my connection. And here's my lights. Right now they're off, and just press this button right here. Let's see, I think it's right there, it's on, and voila. There you go. Right now, I'm just testing it. Now I gotta put everything back in place, and my car should be looking straight fuego, man. Look at that. Whew. Oh man, you can't tell the fog lights, but it should be looking very nice. Okay. Okay, so update. It's on right now. Well, that indicates that it's on, and that's off. Let me just turn it on. And as you guys can tell, I already put everything back together, cleaned up that down there, and oops, sorry. And these light up. Oh, except that one because it's disconnected. I had another issue. You see, this wire wouldn't reach all the way through when I try to put everything back together, but now I put the relay down underneath the headlight right here, because it was up here, the relay. So I just wiggled this around, tucked it in there. Wait, oh, sorry. Tucked it in here, back down here, and my wiring and everything's like kind of tucked in. You know, over there, the firewall. Everything's, I guess, neat, as you guys would say. And I'm just gonna connect that one and put everything back together, and it should look good. There we go. That one's turned off because you guys already know. And oh, oops, sorry, hit it right here. Fucking shit always happens. But yeah, looks fresh, bro. Okay. Alright you guys, so this is going to be the end of the Foglight installation. If you guys found this video useful, please leave a like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.